Guys, we're here in the garage today. We're going to show you how to check the voltage on your battery. Also, if it needs to, hook it up to a trickle charger or a regular charger or whatnot and be ready for winter. Alright, let's go.
Alright guys, so we are going to check the voltage on the battery today. So the first thing you want to do is, obviously with your voltmeter, as you have here, you want to make sure you have it on 12 volt. Some meters have multiple voltage. Make sure it's on 12 volt or 20 volt if it's higher, because this is obviously a 12 volt system on a car. So the first thing we're going to do is identify on the battery where the positive, which is this one, and the negative are. Okay, so red's positive, black is negative. Make sure you go to the terminal itself, not the wire. Positive, negative. 11.5 volts. Okay, this should be 12 or higher. Okay, you always want to do this too with the car not running, that way the alternator is not throwing off your reading. So in order for this battery to make it through the winter, we will need to hook it up to a trickle charger. Okay guys, this is a common trickle charger. You can pick these up at Harbor Freight, anywhere. They're very cheap and they're very simple. Most of them put out like 1 or 2 amps or 1 or 2 volts. They are designed to just maintain a battery, not to actually charge it. So if the battery's down to like 8 volts, you'll need to hook it up to a higher charger than this trickle charger, maintainer, whatever it's called. So the first step of this is to hook these up first. Do not plug it in the wall, because then you have juice. Hook these up, then plug it in the wall. Obviously, red goes to positive, black goes to negative. Okay, with both of those firmly hooked up, you will notice the light comes on because the voltage of the battery powers that little bit of LED. So now what you do, over here with the plug, which is too short, so we need an extension cord. Okay, so now that we have an extension cord that will now reach, we plug these together, making this charge.
Alright guys, so we showed you all how to hook up a trickle charger. So say our battery was at 8 volts. You could use this bigger charger that does 10, even up to 50 amps to charge your battery, and then turn around and use the trickle charger to keep it charged. This way your battery will be good all winter long. At about 8 amps, you could use this battery charger.
8 volts. Start over.